Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can make payment to your Canadian Tire Bank issued credit card. So first is by the payments from your online account. So you can pay directly through the Triangle application or your online account on the ctfs.com using the Interact e-transfer payment. So processing times typically take place the same day that you make your payment. So to pay through the Triangle application, you just have to sign in to your online account, then go to your accounts, and then select make a payment. So select pay with Interact E, transfer, or pay with bank transfer. And then you just have to follow the instructions to complete your payment. Now to pay through your online account on the ctfs.com, you just have to sign into your online account, go to your payments, select make a payment via Interact e-transfer, and then click on next. Then you just have to follow the instructions to complete your payment. So you can also pay directly through your online account by setting up a recurring or a one-time transfer from your external bank account. So processing times vary by financial institution, but transfer payments typically take up to 5 to 7 days to process. So you can avoid the possibility of missing a payment by setting up a recurring payments and have your minimum payment or on the full balance due automatically withdrawn from your bank account. Now, to be able to set that up, you just have to sign in to your online account. And if you don't have an account, you can tap on this one to enroll now and then go to payments. Now, under the pay your credit card bill, you just have to select either set up a payment or set up a recurring payment. Then just follow the instructions to complete your payment. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!